There's something truly special about making pasta from scratch. It's a process that connects you to the roots of culinary tradition. It fills your kitchen with a wonderful aroma, a scent that promises a delicious meal ahead, and brings a sense of accomplishment. The joy of seeing your efforts turn into something so delightful is unmatched. Homemade pasta tastes fresh and flavorful, better than any store-bought pasta. The texture and taste are simply incomparable. Plus, making pasta is a fun activity for family and friends. It's a great way to bond and create lasting memories. Many people think pasta making is difficult, but it's easier than you think. With a little practice, anyone can master it. With a few simple ingredients and some basic tools, you can start your pasta making journey. You can create delicious pasta dishes in your own kitchen. From spaghetti to ravioli, the possibilities are endless. Let me guide you through the process. Step by step, we'll explore the art of pasta making together. I promise once you try it, you'll be hooked. The satisfaction of making and enjoying your own pasta is truly magical. Don't worry, you don't need fancy equipment to make pasta at home. Here are the basics you'll need to get started on your pasta making journey. First, a large mixing bowl. This is where the magic happens. You'll be combining all your ingredients here to form the dough. Next, measuring cups and spoons. Accuracy is key for the perfect dough. Precise measurements ensure your pasta has the right texture and consistency. A simple fork for mixing the ingredients together. It helps to start the process of combining the flour and eggs before you knead the dough. A rolling pin or pasta machine to flatten your dough. If you have a pasta machine, it makes the process easier, but a rolling pin works just as well. A sharp knife or pasta cutter for cutting the pasta into your desired shapes. Whether you want fettuccine, tagliatelle, or pappardelle, these tools will help you achieve the perfect cut. And of course, you'll need your ingredients: flour, eggs, salt, and maybe a touch of olive oil for extra tenderness. These simple ingredients come together to create delicious homemade pasta. That's it. With these tools and ingredients, you're ready to start making your own pasta from scratch. Enjoy the process and the delicious results. Now, let's make some pasta. Making pasta from scratch is a rewarding experience that brings a touch of authenticity to your kitchen. Follow these steps to create delicious homemade pasta. First, make a flour mound. This will be the base of your dough. On a clean surface, make a mound with your flour and create a well in the center. This well will hold your wet ingredients. Next, add the eggs. Crack your eggs into the well and add a pinch of salt. The salt enhances the flavor of your pasta. Mix gently by slowly incorporating the flour into the eggs, working from the inside out. This ensures a smooth and even dough. Use a fork or your fingers. Both methods work well, but using your fingers gives you more control over the texture. Once combined, knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes. This step is crucial for developing the gluten, which gives the pasta its structure. It should become smooth and elastic. If the dough feels too sticky, add a bit more flour. Finally, let it rest. Cover the dough and let it rest for 30 minutes. This resting period allows the gluten to relax. Making it easier to roll. After resting, your dough is ready to be rolled out and cut into your desired pasta shapes. Enjoy your homemade pasta! Section 4. Tips for pasta perfection. Advice for first-time pasta makers. Here are some tips to help you on your pasta making journey. Use good quality flour. It makes a difference in the texture of your pasta. Don't overwork the dough. Knead until smooth and elastic, but don't overdo it. Roll thinly. Aim for about 1/8 inch thickness or even thinner. Dust with flour to prevent sticking while rolling and cutting. Cook immediately or dry for later. Fresh pasta cooks quickly in boiling water. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment. Section 5. My first foray into pasta paradise. I still remember the first time I made pasta. I was a young girl in my nonna's kitchen, my hands covered in flour, completely mesmerized by the process. It seemed like magic, transforming simple ingredients into beautiful, delicate strands of pasta. Of course, my first attempts weren't perfect. My pasta was a bit thick and uneven, but the taste, the aroma, and the feeling of accomplishment were incredible. That day, I discovered the joy of creating something delicious from scratch. Section 6. Embrace the joy of homemade pasta. Making your own pasta is a rewarding experience. It's a chance to connect with Italian culinary traditions, to get creative in the kitchen, and to savor the authentic flavors of homemade food. So, gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and embark on your own pasta making adventure. You might be surprised at what you can create. Buon appetito!